We'll go one more time. That was 6,500. This is about 4,700 now in second gear. Got a little sideways there. But, you know, cruising 3,200 where we're at now, it's not really too noticeable. I'll roll up the windows some, close Mr. Sunroof, and you can probably hear it better without the wind noise. I got another stop coming up and then some more curves where we'll have fun. And the whine you're hearing, if you hear it, is because I have my phone plugged in, and that's the ground from the alternator. So that's $5,000 coming around this curve, 4,500 or so. So it definitely has more sound than stock. Definitely throaty, but it's not obnoxious. I drove a Camaro SS in the past. That thing had an obnoxious exhaust on it, just absolutely crazy.